our concert stage to perform her latest hit.
Ay, naku, to sing the 80s classic love song. This time, I'll Be Sweeter. Siguro dati hindi siya sweet, no?
Oo.
Originally by Angela Bofill. From her latest album, Falling in Love.
Which is
Please.
also the state of her heart now.
Anamantikaan pala man, Batman. Please welcome ang in love ngayon, Rachel Ango.
This time, I'll be sweeter.
Dati ba hindi ka sweet?
I'm back. Did you ever say that to yourself,
Oy!
Rachel? Did you ever say that to yourself? Na this time I'll be sweeter.
Sweet naman daw ako.
Kahit dati, hindi lang halata.
So ngayon ba, sweeter na ang love life mo? Oy, nag-guest yun dito sa amin, mag-ama, kinuwento,
talaga.
lahat.
Oh, happy ako.
Lahat talaga.
Talaga lahat?
Oo, si Gary V nagkwento.
But she obviously is happy, so we're very
Yes.
happy for you
Thank you.
also.
Oo.
Thank you.
Sana may ganun akong boses, no?
Oo nga.
Mapikit-pikit. Ay, sweet.
She will still be with us sa mga lahat ng bitin dyan na nanonood. Kasama pa rin natin siya later on. But up next, an OPM icon. Wow, Wilma rin. Ito
Yes.
rin talaga natin. Will
Oh, yeah.
perform his top 3 favorite songs. Mr. Mike Hanopo joins us right after the break.